Hello everyone, my name is Naina Jain and I am the lead UI/UX researcher and academician at ImaginXP. As a faculty and somebody who's been in the industry for so long, there is one question that I am often asked, and that is, does one come up with a problem statement? So here are my 3 tips that would help you come up with not only a very good problem statement, but also make your project portfolio worthy. So number 1 is that ask yourself your top 3 fields of interest. The moment you do this, you not only question the kind of interests you have, but you also make sure that you are more committed to this project than ever. The moment you understand that these are your key 3 fields of interest, you can start working on a mind map for all 3 of them. You can Google, you can research, refer to people, find out from more people, ask them questions about these fields and get more and more ideas. This will allow you to gather as much data in very little time and help you shortlist the topic that you want to go ahead with. The moment you do this, you are able to come up with a very engaging and a very promising problem statement and something that you truly are interested in. Second, observation. Any good designer out of a million other designers would stand out just because they have probably way better observation power than anyone else. When I say this, it means as designers, we need to not only have an eye for the smallest of the details, but we must also understand that there could be way too many problems that we personally might not face in every single day. So, observation could not only happen when you're out in the market or out with some people, but observation can also happen when you're watching some movie, when you're reading something, or you are just stumbling upon a random video that was sent to you on WhatsApp. So, what happens when we observe? When you keep an eye out for the tiniest of the details, you are able to identify the key problem areas. And those problem areas might not be something that you personally face, but it is definitely there that so many different people might be able to relate to that problem statement. And hence, this becomes the second most widely used way of identifying a problem statement. Third would be that you just simply Google the top trends that are there in the world currently, or maybe what are the emerging topics that we should be interested in. The moment you do that, you will stumble upon multiple different blogs, research papers, magazines, content, posts by people that would tell you more and more about the new topics or the emerging topics. These topics are not only engaging, not only promising, but might help you come up with a problem statement that would solve a problem that is still going to come with the emerging products. This might just give you a chance to break into the industry, be the first person to be working on something very unique and becoming the next Elon Musk. So think about it and start identifying your problems from right now. All the best. Bye.